So worked in HP as a QA manager, where I was handling around 30 people of QA team. Okay, both manual and automation. Okay, I was working for one of the biggest retail product in HP. So after HP, I left my job and started helping out the people with a real-time experience. I started Albino Info System, okay, in 2014. Okay, Albino Info System in 2014. Okay, so uh, from 2014, I started working with the people globally, where I used to work with US people, Indian people, Sweden people, Germany people, and globally means different company people, different country people wanted to join with me, and they wanted to work on the QA to get a real hands-on experience. Okay, I'm working from the scratch. So from 2014, I placed the plenty of people across globally as well as in India. Okay, so this is my overall experience, what I have in industries. Okay, the second very important point is that, so before getting into the project work, you need to understand what company is expecting from you. Okay, so for example, uh, here is Wipro. Just I'm telling you. Okay, here is a Wipro. So I am Guru here. One thing. I imagine that here is a Raj. Okay, so just I'm telling you the company expectations. So once you understood their company expectations, right, definitely you will start working like that. Okay, so in between Raj and myself, there will be a profile. There will be a profile, QA profile with the experienced candidate. So what I have gone through this profile, Raj profile. I got attracted, and what are the requirements I am having? He is having contents of those things in his profile. So what I will feel, I will call him for a technical discussion. Let me see like how best he can help me out to understand his profile. So understand my expectations. My expectations from Raj is, tomorrow if Raj wanted to work with me, okay, if tomorrow Raj wanted to work with me, he should work independently. This is my expectations. Whatever might be the domain, whatever might be the testing, whatever it is. So he should work independently under less supervision of mine. Just I will guide you, work like this. So I am expecting such things from Raj. Okay. So keeping all those things in my mind, I will start interacting with Raj with the contents of the profile. See, for example, what are the things he has mentioned in the profile, right? So he has mentioned the plenty of points. What are the points he have? Okay. So he will mention his points in the profile. I got attracted about his points. I wanted to check Raj confidence. So how the confident the Raj is on his all the points what he has mentioned in his in his profile. Okay. So I would like to keep interacting with the Raj with one point. What are the things he has mentioned in his profile? I wanted to check his confidence level. How confident he is. How best he can help me out to understand the points, what experience he has. Okay. So for example, you might have seen, right? For example, I will make a certain column. I will call him for a technical discussion. Okay. So during the technical discussion, I would like to mention the points. So I would like to analyze this guy, whether this guy is suitable for me or not. Okay. For example, so I have a different parameters to gauge this guy. So I will tell you what are the parameters I will concentrate on his profile and how best is suitable for me. So first I will go through and I will ask about the manual testing, what he has mentioned. Manual QA. Sorry, I would like to write it over manual QA. Then I will concentrate on automation. Then I will concentrate on his communication. Then I will concentrate on his presentation skills. Then okay, I will check his confidence. And lastly, I would like to monitor his attitude also. There will be an attitude. Okay. So every point I have mentioned with out of 5 rate. 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Okay. Like Raj, I have plenty of people on the queue for an interview. Okay. So I wanted to check this guy, how best he can help me out. So I will ask him about his experience level with the introduction level. Then I will discuss with him about the manual points, what he has mentioned. So if he worked on the real project with in-depth cycle of testing projects, okay, like he see, certain people will have a less scope. They will be concentrated only on the execution. Some people will concentrate only on the retesting. So I don't want such people. I want a people who gone through the full cycle of QA. Okay, so let me concentrate on this guy. So how best he can hit me back with a positive way of answer. Okay, suppose in manual QA he scored 4. In automation he scored 3.2. Okay, in communication he scored 4. Okay, in presentation he scored 2.5. Okay, so in confidence he scored 2. Think attitude 5 out of 5. So this is one row. I evaluated this guy with this kind of rating. Okay, this is the feedback. So I mean to say, even though this guy is good in manual testing, even though he's okay in automation testing, and even though his communication is better, presentation skills may get vibrate, we can improve him, and confidence level is too low. Even though he is correct, but he's not confident. And attitude, I'm fine. Attitude is fantastic. What I will do in that situation, so I don't want to take a risk about Raj, because I checked it with him with all the parameters, but I'm doubt on his confidence, because confident even though he's answering me, but he's not confident. What I will do, I will send him for the second round interview. Let me check. So I don't want to take a risk. I have given the open feedback about this guy, and let me go for a second round. Second round, my seniors will take and they will check. How they will check? They will look into the weak points of the feedback. Okay, confidence level I have given him a less, very less, and presentation skills I have given him a very less. They will concentrate more on this rather than this. Then they will take a decision whether this guy is in or what. So suppose, imagine that he scored 3 over here, he scored 4 over here, and he scored 5 out of 5, and he scored 4 over here, and he scored 5 out of 5. So 200%, I don't want to send him for a second round interview because his confidence level is very high. I mean to say, even though what are the situations it comes up, he has that much of capacity to handle the such things. So I'm very much confident. Yes, this guy is suitable for me. When this guy confidence level is high, definitely, because all the project contains what are the things he has mentioned in his biodata. He's showing more confidence, means once he done with a real-time project, right, real-time full cycle of this.
This is Nilanjan.
Okay, Nilanjan, just you joined, right?
Yeah, just now joined. So I got some free time, so I joined.
Okay. Just I will send you this recording, Nilanjan. Be online. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
I will make you. Okay. So now, the thing is, unless and until Raj works on the project with a confidently, what are the things he has worked on the project, right? Same point I would like to mention it over here. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So that if I'm mentioning the points, what are the things he has worked 200% confidently he can talk to Guru. Yes, Guru, I have done this. I would like to help you like this. Okay. Even though he's so confident, he's giving me the so much of confidence. Don't worry, Guru, I will take care of everything. 200%. Every technical panel will looking out for such kind of resources. Okay. Because 80% of burden from Guru where Raj has taken. Means, see, even though he's okay in manual and he's okay in automation, his communication is good, his presentation is good, but the confidence level, what are the confidence level he's showing me, that is more than enough for me. When the confident will come, guys, I'm telling you, when the confident will come in the sense, so whenever he worked on the real project, right? Real project and real scenario, whenever he's working under my guidance, definitely his confidence level will get increased. So that the same tone he will talk to Guru. Yes, Guru, I'm doing like this. I wanted to do like this. 200% interviewer will get impressed on such kind of people, and there is a 99% ability to get select Raj inside Wipro. This is the parameters where people wanted to monitor it. Technical people especially, they wanted to monitor such kind of parameters. So I mean to say, why I'm telling these things, that's also important, right? See, before getting into the real-time project work, right, you need to understand what company people would like to expect from you, what they are expecting. See, before going into Wipro, they should get impress on your profile first thing. If they get an impress on your profile, definitely they would like to discuss with a Raj. For example, Raj is a resource like what I told you. Okay, so with respect to the points, right, one points, they would like to see the confidence level of that particular person, how best he can work with us. Unless and until Raj works on the real-time project, he will not get any confidence. Manage in the sense their dedication, their professionalism, the way they work under my guidance. Definitely these things, definitely it will help you out. And even though I am expecting such kind of people should work under my guidance. You are getting my point. So even though I'm requesting you people, if you are serious, if you are really wanted to work on the project, if you are really need my guidance, I need your seriousness as well as your hard work. 200%, guys, you trust me, 200% you will get placed somewhere. That is so damn sure. But you should show an interest. So I mean to say, my intention was, before getting into the project work, right, you should understand the expectations of the company. You should understand, if I see, for example, you might have sensed it, right? People will take an interview, within a 2 minutes they will tell them like, we will get back to you, we will tell you later on. Why these words are coming out? These words are coming out because of their communication gap, because they have not understood what he is expecting. Because even though what is happening in the real world, I will tell you, people will go for a theory training, they will copy paste their profile, they wanted to put the experience, they wanted to hit the interview. That is not possible. But luckily, if it is possible also, if they joined in the team, if anybody they assigned them the work, how they will work without having a hands-on experience? Is it audible? Can you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Nilanjan, can you able to hear me, Nilanjan?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
So,
I can hear
Nilanjan,
you.
yeah, Nilanjan, you are attending from Kolkata, right?
No, I have came to Ireland.
Oh, now you are in Ireland, right? Okay.
Yeah, I have
So,
reached.
your husband spoken to me yesterday. Okay.
Okay.
So, just what I told them is, can you mute it? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So, just what I explained them is, I explained them what company is expecting from you before getting into the live project work. Okay. So what are the company they are expecting from the resources? Okay. So what are the parameters they wanted to monitor? See, for example, I have taken Raj interview. These are the parameters. Sometime you might have sensed, right? They will tell you to wait outside. Okay. So they will evaluate on these parameters. If you are really not done well, they will tell you, we will get back to you. We will tell you later on. that you should understand. Okay, you have not qualified it. Okay, so I mean to say, unless and until the parameters they monitor against your profile, and all these parameters goes against with respect to your profiles. So for example, if I'm telling that experience in RTM, requirement traceability matrix, have you done that requirement traceability matrix? Have you really worked on the requirement traceability matrix? If you really worked on the requirement traceability matrix, confidently you can talk to them. Oh, this is how I have done. Definitely, when you are more confident, right? Your communication skills, your confidence, your eye contacts will be more confident. So that is what the interviewer is looking out from you. Okay. So now this is the preconditions I have explained you before getting into the project. Okay. If I wanted to do one project work on the QA with all the points. So this is my cycle where I would like to help you out with this cycle. Okay. So first most thing is I would like to start up with you people on the system study. Okay. So what is this system study? First, you need to understand whole specification. I will give you that specification. Okay. Whole specification you need to understand. Requirement specification, and you mean to say you will be working on ERP product under my guidance. Once you gone through that right specification, I will help you how to do an SRS analysis. You are getting my point. How best you wanted to do an SRS analysis. They will go through the system study. They would like to do the analysis part like this. Okay. So total count of the functionality is 74. These are the requirements ID. I will tell you everything. Don't worry. Don't get panic right now. Okay. So this is what are the mandatory fields we have and how the flow is: medium flow, simple flow, complex flow. After doing this analysis, right? Okay. So she is a Sheetal Patil, and she is attending my morning session. She is from US, California. Okay. So how best they are doing the work, then they will design the scenarios. Okay. So who is going to review the scenario? What are the scenario things? Okay. So then they are preparing the RTM. See, this is the RTM, requirement traceability matrix. So they wanted to review the scenario. This is how they wanted to review the scenario. And this is how they wanted to create the cases, test cases. And this is how they wanted to send the daily status report. Don't get panic. I will work with you people. Don't worry about it. Okay. So I want to say, according to this flow, you will be working under my guidance. First, you will go through the system study. You will do an SRS analysis. You will design the scenario. Parallelly, you are preparing the requirement traceability matrix, and you will review the scenario. We call it as peer-to-peer review. For example, Nilanjan has prepared the scenario. Reshma wanted to review it, and Reshma has prepared the scenario. Nilanjan wanted to review it. I mean to say there is a process which I am going to help you out. And then you will be creating the test cases. Plenty of test cases you will be creating under my guidance. Then again it will go for the review, and then I will release the build, a real build. I will tell you point to point. Once I release the build to you people, first iteration you will start executing the cases. You will be doing smoke testing, real smoke testing. You will be doing the sanity testing. Okay. Then you will be executing the functional test cases. Then you will be reporting the defects. Then you will be sending the daily status report. Then you will be sending me the daily defect report. I will release the next build. After fixing the defect, next build will be ready. Again, you will be doing smoke testing, sanity testing. You will be doing retesting. You will be doing regression testing. After doing this, you are sending me the daily status report. You are sending me the daily defect report. You are sending me the retesting reports. You are sending me the weekly status report. So this is the flow, and everything you will be working on Agile. So I will explain you the Agile concept. Okay. First most thing is how I would like to work with you people. I will tell you. So can you able to see my desktop, Nilanjan?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So first, I would like to give you the project axis. Then I would like to give you the tool axis. I would like to give you all template access. Okay. I need your professional email ID. Professional email ID. Okay. Then your email ID will be configured with the tool. It is a lifetime for you people. Okay. Then you can play with Agile tool. Okay. See, these are the stuffs you are doing. And nowadays, Agile is a hotcake in the market. Everybody will concentrate. Not only it is a normal testing, they will ask you, have you worked on Agile kind of testing? Okay. So you can showcase very well. And by end of the day, end of your project, I would like to prepare your profile like this. See, this is how I would like to prepare your profile. These all people are from US. Okay. So every point, what are the points I have mentioned in your biodata, right? 200% you are working live with me. And what are the points you are working, right? Every points I am mentioning in your biodata. Okay. Experience in updating and maintaining the requirement traceability matrix, forward traceability matrix, and backward. Really, you will be working like this. Okay. So RTM. This is, I call it as forward traceability matrix from requirement to defect ID. And this is your backward traceability matrix. So unless and until, see, you have done this, I have mentioned it over here. Okay. Release notes. So I will send you the release notes also. And regression testing, retesting, everything you will be working. And project explanation, which project you are working, and what is your rules and responsibility. So every point, what are the points I have mentioned in your biodata, 200% you will be working on that point. So how it helps in the sense, if you work like this, right, 200% your confidence level will be very high and you will interact interviewer so smooth. I mean to say, there will be a sync between your interviewer, your biodata and your interviewer. It will get sync up. So sync up in the sense, he will go through your biodata and you are taking him with your biodata. Answers will go positive and presentations will go positive. Confidence will go positive. So everything will go positive direction so that he can select you as early as possible. As early as possible in the sense, he should select you. Okay. User acceptance testing you are doing, but everything is live, not like a theory, like where you gone to theory. It is not imagination. It is a real work which you are doing. Okay. So just I highlighted this point before getting into the project work. So once you join the session, I will start up working with you people on the system study. What is the requirement specification? How the document looks? Requirement specification is very huge, which I wanted to give you. Okay. So once you gone through the requirement specification, I will take a demo session from you, what you understood from that. And every day you are preparing minutes of meeting. I call it as MOM, minutes of meeting. Okay. So for example, this is what we call it as minutes of meeting. So here I can track project very well, project work. See here, presented by Guru, type of meeting training, minutes of meeting created by Seetal, number of attendees 3, number of absent 1, date Monday 13th Jan 2020, time 7:50 AM IST, location online, time allocated 1 hour, attendees people Mrunali, Shwetal and Seetal. Okay, topic discussed today, what we discussed on this. Okay, what are the action items needed. Okay, then what is the topic which we wanted to discuss on tomorrow. So better I will take another minutes of meeting. So almost all US people worked with me. Okay, see here how systematically these people have designed type of meeting training, minutes of meeting created by Pratibha. She's from California. Okay, number of attendees people are 8. Date, which date, what is the time, location online, attendees present people, okay, absent people, and topic discussed today, what we have discussed today. Test scenario review topic was there, and what are the things how they wanted to do. Okay, Pawani has reviewed the Poonam's transport model test scenario, issue committed, and Poonam needs to work on the accepted the comments. So like this, we will discuss every day. We will work. And what are the action items? What action items we have? And agenda for tomorrow. What we wanted to discuss on tomorrow's session. So this will rotate every day. We call it as minutes of meeting, which everyone will prepare. Every day, one person will prepare. Okay. So Fatima got placed, Poonam got placed, Sapna got placed, Pawani still not yet placed, Pratibha got placed, Vani got placed, Sri Vidya got. All these people are from US. Anchal got placed. Anchal got into Wells Fargo. Sri Vidya got into startup company. Vani got into medium scale company. Okay. Sapna got into Infosys. All are in California, New Jersey. Okay. So Fatima recently got it. So like that. So if you work hard, if you dedicate 200%, 200% I will help you out. Okay. So Reshma, do you have any doubts? Do you have any questions for me?
No, I don't have.
So you understood, right? The concept, the way I used to work and all those things.
Yeah.
Okay. Nilanjan, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. No, I'm
Okay.
fine.
So
It's okay.
I will send you this recorded session. Better you go through fully. Okay. So just ping me your email ID. Raj, do you have any questions for me?
Sure.
No, sir.
So okay, Raj, what is your opinion? How you feel about the session and all?
I feel it's very exhaustive and also very good, nice understanding for the people who comes in the beginning.
Okay. Okay.
It looks to be very unique and very fascinating.
Okay. Okay. So do you feel confident? Your confidence level got increased bit on QA after listening my session, introduction session?
Yes, definitely. It's increasing my confidence level when I see your type, the level, that kind of teaching. It is definitely making to confidence level is increasing.
Okay. Thank you, guys. I will catch you, and I have another session which is for Germany now. Right now, I have one session. I will catch them, and I will catch you later on. I will tell you what are the updates and when I'm going to start new batch. I'm going to start this batch as early as possible within 1 or 2 days. I will come back to you people. Okay, Reshma and Nilanjan, I will catch you once again. I'm really very thankful to you people. At least you respected the words and you joined. And rest of the people I'm kicking out from the group. Okay, because I need a people who are really serious. Okay, thank you, guys. Hi, tell me.
Sir, I need to say, like, for me, I have some time problem. I think my husband already mentioned.
Yeah, we will think about timing, Nilanjan. Don't worry.
Okay.
I will
because
talk to him.
This is 5.5. Because this is 5.5 hours. After. Okay. Now my time is 3:15.
Okay. So see Nilanjan, I will help you out on that. Maximum I will try to help you out with the timing sense. Okay. So because I need to take everybody's inputs on the timing, then I could decide. Anyhow, I'm very thankful to you. Even though you occupied something, you joined with my session as you texted. So I'm really happy for that. And be serious whenever I'm working on the project and show a lot of interest. I will help you out. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, Reshma, and I will catch you people once again. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.